Hello everyone and welcome to Market Daily by Investing Angles. Today I'm going to discuss the major indices, S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones and Russell 2000 from the perspective of candlesticks and from the perspective of Elliott Waves and see where we are going at this point. So let's start with the big candles, with the daily candles for the indices. So SP 500, obviously, they have a strong bearish continuation candle. However, it is sitting right on a 100-day moving average line, and well, there is a chance that it can find support here and bounce up. However, it remains to be seen. So far, the further move down would be supported by the majority of indicators, and we'll see how it goes tomorrow. For Nasdaq, a similar situation. We have a strong continuation candle. However, the volume is not quite there, and it can. There is a chance that it can produce something green tomorrow. We'll see. From Dow Jones, we have a candle that can be viewed either bearish continuation or as somewhat a hammer, a bullish hammer. The candle is sitting again on a 100-day moving average, and it has like 50-50 support by indicators, and I would like to point that Dow Jones the 8 and 20 exponential moving averages crossed bearishly today. So the chances of a continued move down are fairly high. And speaking about Russell, well, we have a very strong candle, and the chances of going lower are actually very high. However, it is right. It is sitting right at the support line, and this is the same price that it was on March 5th. And you can see that the Russell is moving within this rectangle for almost a year right now, and there is a big chance of a bounce tomorrow. That's the candle. So, generally saying, all candles point downwards. However, they are sitting at different sides, different types of support points. Let's have a look at. Let's have a look at SP 500 from the perspective of Elliott Waves and patterns. All right, so this is the ideal rectangular pattern that SP printed since the middle of November. And the wave A, wave C, they're equal at this point. However, looking at the the candles that are developing right now, we can see that the price broke through the long-term channel, and the formation of candles here is not very optimistic. Most likely, we should see a move down tomorrow. How big it's gonna be? Well, it's we can only estimate at this point. So if the rectangle is broken, then we should probably expect the length of the rectangle to be printed, and in this case, from the price, we could see a fall about 5 to 6% before No, well, that's just a rule of the rectangle. Speaking about Dow Jones, Dow Jones today, it was actually the only index that produced a fairly strong motive wave up, which is really difficult to ignore because it's well, it's so perfect from the perspective of Elliott wave and Fibonacci ratios. And well, so far this setup is not broken. Well, I'm assuming that Dow Jones right now is well, the futures are working on a corrective wave A, B, C, and C is could develop as a diagonal. However, it can also be a straight motive wave, and if we don't see a lower low overnight, there is a good chance that we could see actually a rally tomorrow. Well, let's keep our fingers crossed. If we don't see a lower low, well, the Dow Jones might rally, and it can actually pull everything together with them. Speaking about Nasdaq, this pattern I showed multiple times already. We have a clear rectangle formation that Nasdaq was working since the middle of November, and right now it broke below the support line. However, it is not confirmed yet. And if we see a confirmation within the next day or two, well, then that our next target would be around 14,400, something like this. These are a basic triangle, basic rectangular target, and well, that's about it. And speaking about Nasdaq from the perspective of Elliott waves, well, that current formation is A, B, C, and well, from the ratio perspective, we might see a move towards 14,600, 700, something like this, which would be pretty much aligned with the rectangular pattern. Well, that's what I can see on the charts right now, and as I'm talking, the market, the indices are declining. And just to summarize, the daily odds are bearish, with a good chance for the price to continue lower. The indices are at the major support levels, and there is a substantial chance of a bounce from these levels. We should see this tomorrow. Uh, if there is no reversal tomorrow or on Thursday, all indices would form very unfavorable candle formations on the weekly frames, and it might even have negative impact on the monthly ones. Well, so it looks like tomorrow or Thursday will be really critical, crucial days for the market. That would be all. Uh, Please remember to subscribe to the channel if you find the content beneficial, and thank you for watching, and have a very profitable day. Bye.